is the time to recenter my day, guys. This is something that I do on a daily basis for at least, if not 20 minutes, I will give it 15 to 20 minutes, sometime 30 minutes to recenter my life. Today is going to be a good day. Today is going to be a marvelous day. Today is a day of rejuvenation, peace, love, joy, restoration. We thank you for this day. Cover us right now for this day. Give us your peace and your love and your wisdom and your knowledge for another day. We thank you. We honor you. Center us, Lord. We thank you so much for your peace that you rest on us. Hey guys, what's going on? Good morning and happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, June the 21st, okay? How do I know that? Because yesterday I tried to go to the bank and it was not open and I was trying to figure out like why. But yeah, so guys, let me show y'all something. Let me show you guys something that I found it could have been 2 weeks ago. So yeah. Remember I was looking for these guys? These are the actual little clamps that I was looking for, remember? For my curtains. So there was 25 in here, and y'all guys know I had these here already on that side and on the other side. So now I was able to do this side, which makes the curtain go down to the floor now. And then we're still working. I got the new clamps there, but we're still looking for a new curtain. But I wanted to show y'all, look at her, y'all. Look at that. Remember last time? Look at her today. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. But this is the newest one. And I'm gonna take you guys now into the family room so I can show you how the Philly fig is doing and how the monstera is doing, and then we'll get into another part of the video. So guys, look here. We have 1 new one, 2, 3. We have 3 new ones. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And look at that. Look how well she's doing. So guys, look how full she looks now. And this is the little one. So yeah, I'm doing something great because they're turning out marvelous. So yeah, let's get started with another clip of the video. I hope you guys are doing well. Please start your day off with a little bit of peace and abundance and a little bit of joy. Okay? Do that. I love you guys. Don't click off because we're not done yet. Alright guys, I just want to show you real quick a little bit about my packing. This will carry all my essentials. It has deep pockets on the side. I will be carrying all my essentials in there. And my luggage, guys, it expands on the zipper parts where it gives you more expandable room. It's just the way I left it. Hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is June 22nd, and today guys, I'm just going to show you a little bit about like how I pack my bags for trips. But first I wanted to show y'all something really quick. This is something, I know I did my essentials and what was empty, but this is something new that I found from the local grocery store. Guys, this is so good. It's so good. Like, I don't really like staying behind stuff that's not good. This is good. So let me know if you guys seen this before. This is Measurable Difference Hemp Hydrating Body Wash. Guys, this is natural, fortified with hemp seed oil, no parabens, no glutens, no artificial colors. This was only $1.99 from my local grocery store. Guys, it's like a hydrating It feels so good. It feels so good. It's cruelty free. It has a lot of like natural ingredients in it. All of this stuff here is like all natural, but this is what it looks like. Let me know if you've seen this product around. This looks like something that you can find like at TJ Maxx or Home Goods or something. But guys, I like this. I like it. So basically I bought this to show you, because what I'm going to do too, I'm going to be taking bottles like this. Now this is like coconut oil, things that I use on a normal basis. But for this item right here, I will be filling up one of these bottles like this, filling up to the top because it's got to last me for a couple of days. And I will be inserting this into one of the side compartments here, or in one of the side containers on this bag. But I just want to show you guys, I did take out some shorts because I'm going to need those along with these items here. And I have my robe. So I'm going to just use the robe first to show you guys how you can pack something. So I'm going to take my headrest out of here first. And I'm just going to use this as a start. We're going to use this one first as a start. So I have all these compartments here, and then I have this deep start. So I'm going to take my robe. As you can see, it is folded and it's tucked it. I'm going to take it and I'm going to set it right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and start taking some of these items off hangers. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take these shorts. They're already pressed. All you're going to do, guys, is just roll this stuff up like so. Okay? Put those right here. I'm going to show you when I get done how that looks. I'm taking these off. Do these the other way because they were hung up another way. So I'm going to just roll these. Yes, y'all, these are my shorty shorts. I can wear them. Put those right there. So I do have a dress that I do plan. I don't know if I wore this already one time. I do have a dress because I do plan on going out somewhere. So I'm going to take this dress as it is, just like so. And I'm just going to do the same thing, guys. I'm going to roll this dress up just the way it was hung up. So when I take it out, it should be okay. Now, I'm going to take one of the shirts that are new, and I'm going to do the same thing, guys. You're just going to take it, flip it. Oh, I hope I don't get no lipstick on this shirt. I forgot I had on lipstick this morning. Same thing, I'm going to roll it, put it in here. I'm going to do the same with this one, this turtleneck here. Where I'm going is going to be really, really hot, like hot. It's already hot here in Ohio. It's like we've been having 80, 95 degree weather. Let me know what kind of weather you guys been having. I know some of you guys I follow here on the tube been about the same. So yeah. So same thing for this one, y'all. Roll it up. I still have all this room in here. My dress that some of y'all say I didn't like it, but I know what it is. You're not used to me wearing tight fitting clothes, but sometimes she does, and she can. So this is one of my favorites, y'all. I think I told y'all it's one of my favorites. So this is real tiny, itty bitty. Look at that. It's so small. So I put that right there. And then I got this dress. I'm gonna do her the same way. Like I said, everything has been pressed, cleaned, everything. So fold that one. Since this is a little longer, I just double it like that. And just do it like that. I'll put this one on that side. And then we have the famous one that you guys love. I do too, y'all. Do the same thing with her. We're going to flip her like that. Just like that. Turn it around. And I'll do the same thing. Roll her down just like that. I think I might take a romper. I do have a romper and a sweater to take. So yeah, I'm going to put this one right here. Let's move these hangers. So guys, like for shoes, I'm gonna take this paper bag here. I'm just using these. I'm taking these shoes with me with that dress. These are my Vince Camuto shoes. I absolutely like these so much. They're still in good, perfect shape. Let me know if y'all like those. These are favorites. But all you would do is take your shoes. You're gonna put them in a bag like that. put one way, put the other way, like so. And all you would do is just take this bag and set it in here with your shoes. That's all you would do. Now, I have a pair of undies, which I never wear, but I'm going to use these because I'm going to use these for swimming. So I'm going to take these, and I'm actually going to put these, in here on the side right there. And for perfume, guys, I'm going to be using this bag that I absolutely adore. So I'm going to unstrap that like so. I have 2 pockets right here that I was showing you guys. So I'm going to take one of these. This is the Woody Hyacinth, which is Chanel Chance. I'm going to put that one right in there. I'll know exactly where it's at, and it won't do any spilling or anything. And this is Woody Wine, and this is Chanel. It's in the Chanel family. I can't find out. I can't see. The other name is like rubbed off. So I'm going to put that one right here on this side. Okay. Now, I have jewelry here. Fine pieces of jewelry. I have my beautiful gold chain here that I'm going to take. So I'm going to wrap that a little bit. And I'm going to put her on the opposite side right here. It's big enough space. Things can move around. So I'm going to put her right there. I'm going to take my pair of earrings, gold pair of earrings. I'm going to put those in here. Another pair of earrings, and I'm going to put those in here as well. And this one ring I'm going to put in here. So that is all I have in here for now. So even with this, if I wanted to take this whole thing, I absolutely could put this in the side bag, zip it up, it would be a problem. So I'm going to show you guys how this is right now, and then I'll show you guys how I stored those perfumes and everything. So yeah, I hope this has been beneficial to someone. I hope this encourages someone to pack light. You don't need to pack a lot of stuff. Like, I mean, me personally, I don't need a lot. I'm very simple, I'm very basic, and that's one thing I like about myself. It doesn't take me a very long time to figure out what I'm going to do. I am going to place a hat in here probably. But yeah, let me show you guys how this looks. And yeah, let me know what you think. Okay, and you think this easy, you're going to try the folding method because you can have so much. I still got, look at that, y'all. Still got so much room. So let's turn this camera around so I can show you guys. All right, guys. Okay, guys, look at that. Now here is everything I folded. I still have plenty of room. Here's all the shirts, the dresses. Here's that, the shorts down here. This is on top. This is my robe here. And guys, remember, I'm still gonna take one of my cardigans. I'm gonna take a hat, gonna go in this bag. And like I said, my essentials are here. My jewelry is here. And I don't have a whole lot of jewelry here where, you know, it can get all tangled up or anything like that. So I think I'm doing very well in that department. So yeah, and I still have, like I said, if I wanted to put another perfume in here, I could. And actually, these little containers here, I'm going to show you something. Even if I wanted to put one in here, I still have space for my jewelry and stuff, you know, and I still have room for things to move around. So what I might do is put another one of these on this side, and I think we'll be okay. So I just wanted to show you guys how that looks. And then, like I said, even putting things here, closing this up, I still would be able to zip this container, zip this luggage up like so. And I still have compartments here to work with as well. So I'm going to show you guys how that looks. So I can store stuff here, and I can store stuff here. So if I wanted to put the jewelry in here and do the vice versa, instead of having these in here, I can do so. So yeah, guys, I'll see you next clip. All right, guys, this is what I decided to do. I'm going to put some more. I forgot about another pair of shoes. I'm going to put in this bag. These here are my easy shoes. I'm going to put those in here. And then I do have my sweater I want to go get. And I'm going to put her right here. Well, you know what? Let me see. I already rolled her up enough, and flattened her. So I can put her right here. And then I'm going to take my hat, set my hat right there. I'm just showing you guys how easy this is. I'm going to take this bag, set this bag here, and then I decided, see how I can still zip this bag up? I'll still be able to zip this bag up, but I decided to do something. Since I have this here, let me zip it up and then I'll show y'all what I mean. Now don't forget, I'm gonna still probably add 1 or 2 things to this, but since I have that like that, what I decided to do, I'm gonna take my perfumes and place them here, like so. That way, I actually can get another, another bottle in there if I wanted to. Like, this is one of my favorites. So just imagine if I wanted to bring more than 1 fragrance, I can do so like that. And I can zip it up and it's not a problem. Okay? And then I still have this part here. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave this open for now because I might change my mind about the perfumes, but I wanted to show y'all how easy and convenient this is. This is, like I said, it's on wheels. And I have an adjustable thing, and it makes it just really, really easy to maneuver. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I gotta get ready to head out. I am on a mission, and I will see you guys in another video really, really soon. Hopefully it's somewhere else, okay? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, join the family, share the video. I hope you guys enjoy these tips and tricks for packing, whether you're flying or you're doing over the road. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all. Bye.